Hi, how you doing? I'm Khan from affiliateship.com. In this video, we're going to look at how to change your affiliate links to your own website branded affiliate links in WordPress. Okay, so it's very common for affiliates to have their websites and blogs based on the popular WordPress platform, and perhaps your affiliate website is also on WordPress. For example, my website affiliateship.com is also based on the WordPress platform, as it has the best options and features to start your affiliate website and scale it up. So when you have your own website, it's nice to have all your links be consistent throughout, including your affiliate links that you use to promote your affiliate products. The only downside is that the affiliate links that you get from the affiliate programs contain affiliate links that from their own websites and associated websites, and when you share some of those links types link, it doesn't go down too well for your branding efforts, as you'll have all sorts of different named links, right? So what you want is a tool or a plugin called a link cloaking service that will enable you to create links that are based on your own domain. Okay, that will of course enable you to turn those affiliate links as well into your own domain based links. Okay, so the cloaking tool will provide you with the facility to change or cloak your original affiliate link into your custom branded affiliate links. For WordPress based sites, there are quite a few affiliate link cloaking plugins, but one particular one and popular one that I use myself is called Short Links by Pretty Links, or it's called Pretty Links actually. There is a free version and a paid version, upgrade version that you can buy, but I've been using the free version for some time. It's doing me pretty fine, and if you're interested in trying this out, please follow the steps below. Okay, so first of all, you can easily download the free version from your WordPress dashboard. If you go to plugins, add new, then in the search just type in Pretty Links and it'll appear in the search results, and then you can simply install it and activate it. And then once you've activated it, it'll appear along the left side of your WordPress dashboard menu with all the other plugins that you have installed in settings. So it'll be somewhere underneath the plugins, right? If you look down, you'll see Pretty Links there, and then simply if you want to add a new link, you go to Pretty Links, then add new link, and then from the Pretty Links menu, once you add a new link, the page will open up to set your link, create your link, and then in the target link URL, you put in your original affiliate link that was provided by your affiliate program, right? It's going to be a long link or a short link, but it's going to be one of their links, of course. And in the Pretty Link field, you type in what you want your link to be. Okay, so for example, I'll create an affiliate link that links to a Success Challenge free webinar, affiliate training webinar from my mentors program course, and it's great free training webinar, and then it's called Success Challenge webinar. So I simply changed it to SCW, okay, to mean Success Challenge webinar. And then as you can see an image here, so target URL was the link that I was provided. As you can see, the link is one of their own domains. It's got all sorts of numbers and characters in there. And then the Pretty Link, which is going to be my link, so it's going to link from affiliateship.com/SCW, because that's what I put in, and that's what you can put in whatever you want from your link, from your domain. You can type in name it any link you want, any word that you want, and then it will just create that. Okay, all right, so the next part is the title and notes. So this is optional. You can fill in title or notes, it's up to you. But what I found with the title is once I create the link, it just pre-fills it with something default from the link. It picks it up from the original link and it just puts it in there. Okay, so next option is advanced options. Okay, so this is important, this bit. You can further customize, check the advanced options, and for example groups, you can organize your links and stuff like that. But the important thing is to ensure that you tick the no follow option. Okay, make sure that's ticked as well, because this option may help with your search engine rankings, or reduce the possibility of search engines penalizing your site for having too many affiliate links, especially for some sites where there's little content, and then the potential that they could penalize your site, okay, for having too many affiliate links. And that's what I've read anyway. I don't know how much of it is true. Okay, so that's that, but it's best to have it, not have it, right? Because it may benefit your site. Okay. So yeah, as you go through the option, you'll see the eye here. If you click on it, it'll tell you a bit more explanation of what each feature is, and you can just go through them. Okay. So number 6, once you've done, the last final step is just hit the create button, and then you will have your own custom brand links exactly the way you wanted it. And that's it. Okay, so there you have it. One of the big benefits of Cloak and your affiliate links is to your own branded links, is that it can help increase your affiliate link clicks and conversions, as your audience will see the links are originating from your own website, from your own branded domain, and also increasing your brand building. Okay, so that's it for now for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment. And if you like more stuff like this, affiliate marketing tips to grow your affiliate marketing business, visit affiliateship.com/newsletter. Okay, thank you and all the best.